In the heart of the 19th century, a wave of change swept across Latin America, as a thirst for independence and freedom echoed from the mountains to the coastal plains. The region, once under the yoke of Spanish and Portuguese colonial rule, was now teetering on the brink of revolution. In the vibrant city of Buenos Aires, the spirit of rebellion ignited under the leadership of Manuel Belgrano and José de San Martín. They envisioned a country free from Spanish rule, with a new constitution and a beacon of democracy for the world to see. The spark of revolution was lit on May 25, 1810, when the citizens of Buenos Aires took to the streets, demanding change. The cry for freedom was deafening, and the Spanish Viceroy, Santiago de Liniers, was forced to abdicate. In his place, a junta was formed, marking the birth of Argentina as an independent nation. But the path to independence was fraught with danger. The Spanish forces were formidable, and the newly formed Argentine army struggled to gain the upper hand. It was San Martin's strategic brilliance that turned the tide. He led an expedition across the Andes, surprising the Spanish forces in Chile and securing a decisive victory at the Battle of Chacabuco. Inspired by San Martin's success, revolutions erupted across the region. Simón Bolívar, a charismatic leader from Venezuela, led a campaign to free Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, and Bolivia from Spanish rule. His most famous victory was at the Battle of Boyaca, where his forces defeated the Spanish army and paved the way for independence. The Latin American revolutions were not just about freedom from Spanish rule. They were also about creating a new identity for these nations, one rooted in democracy, equality, and national pride. The revolutions marked a turning point in Latin American history, setting the stage for the region's development into the diverse and vibrant tapestry it is today. However, the road to independence was not without its challenges. The newly formed nations faced economic instability, political turmoil, and social unrest. But the spirit of revolution lived on, inspiring future generations to continue the fight for freedom and justice. The Latin American revolutions were a testament to the power of the human spirit, a testament to the desire for freedom and self-determination. They were a beacon of hope in a time of darkness, a shining example of resilience and determination in the face of adversity. And as we look back at the history of these revolutions, we are reminded of the power of change, the power of unity, and the power of the human spirit.